Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Stedemon ZKC BP02. This is a really budget friendly, I would call this a one of the better knives under $50 category type of knife. The overall length is 7 3/4 of an inch. The blade length is 3 3/8 of an inch of 440C steel. It's got a liner lock right here and thumb studs, there we go, for deployment. Oops, got my finger in the way, that's why it didn't open all the way. You can do thumb open or middle finger open on the back side, like I like to do. The handle length is 4 3/8 of an inch, and it's got kind of cool. It's got hardware that matches the pivot all around it. So you got pivot, pivot, and then not pivot, and then not pivot, but it kind of matches. So it's got this. It's got a really nice flow to the design. I like that a lot. 4-way reversible pocket clip. And there's the profile of it. It is actually a bit of a deep carry pocket clip, but it's not high enough to give you that real deep carry factor. But anyways, there you go. Let's do a size comparison next to our tactical clothespin. And the handle is G10, black G10 on this one, but you can get, basically any color you want with these guys. We have plenty of color options. So go ahead and buy this knife at bladehq.com. This is the Stedemon ZKC BP02.